Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Cash App settlement. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to the Cash App settlement website, and basically it is the Cash App Security Settlements.com. And basically from here you would be able to start applying for your Cash App settlements. But before, you need to make sure that you had already submitted a claim so you can be eligible for having a Cash App settlement. So as you can see, you might be eligible for a Cash App payment from class action settlement involving Block or Cash App investing. And basically from here, from the website, we can see all the dates or all the necessary dates where you can have your settlements, etc. So basically, you should have depends on the time. So just see when the claim deadline is, so you can submit your claims. And when submitting your claims, you will need just to fill in the claim forms and other informations or documents so you can have the claim. After that, you will need just to wait for the settlement date, and after that, you would be able to start having your uh, to get the settlement. So as you can see, the first thing would be is to submit a claim, and then you can choose to exclude yourself from the settlement, or you can receive no payment. Otherwise, you can just go for the settlement and object to the settlement and attend a hearing. And basically, here you will be able to start applying for a settlement. You will need just to have already submitted the claim. And as you can see here in the important documents section, you would find all the necessary documents. So you will have the claim form that you will need to fill in, and of course, then you can see the settlement agreement, and you can read this one so you can get uh, to apply for these settlement agreements. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.